Irene Manatlao joins us live. How was Election Day in Caloocan, Irene?
Yeah, now that the voting process is officially closed, it was a very productive day here in Caloocan City where we visited the top two vote-rich polling places here, such as Bagumbong Elementary School and Bagong Silang Elementary School in the first district. But there were cases of faulty automated counting machines or ACMs in both schools where the principals, as head of the electoral process here, shared that a few of the machines started being glitchy and laggy. One ACM from Bagumbong completely stopped accepting ballots as well. So there were also cases of missing names in Bagumbong Elementary where newly registered voters cannot find their name in COMELEC's master lists. So according to the principal, COMELEC's rules prohibits them to vote if they are not identified in their system to avoid discrepancies. Both schools also experienced extreme heat earlier today. Voters were seen carrying water bottles, umbrellas, and even handheld fans just to vote here. And a voter in Bagong Silang shared that a few minutes ago she actually chose to vote last minute to avoid such hassles. So the huge influx of people here in Caloocan also affected the congestion in the area. A senior citizen got injured in Bagumbong Elementary earlier where when a van ran over his foot twice because people were forced to get off from the sidewalk. So the front runners for the city's mayoral race at the moment are Mayor and re-electionist Dale Along Malapitan and former Senator Antonio Sonny Trillanes IV, who voted rather in their respective precincts in District 1 this morning. Trillanes is currently in an uphill battle against the Malapitan since they have been in Caloocan power ever since Oka Malapitan, Along's father, has gained power as a congressman in 2013 and then soon as a mayor. So the Malapitans holds tight to their tangible programs in their campaigns while Trillanes promised voters in Caloocan a bagong Caloocan by addressing issues supposedly overlooked by the outgoing administration. So as of the moment, poll watchers are and marshals are gathering to monitor the precincts for the post-election process.